Well, October is Breast Cancer Awareness Month, and recent statistics have shown both encouraging as well as concerning data. KCAU-9 News reporter Alyssa Tatch tonight explaining what those studies have found about breast cancer. The details in our top story at 6.
Thanks, Tim. The American Cancer Society found that breast cancer mortality rates have been steadily declining since 1989. But in recent years, the number of newly diagnosed cases of breast cancer have been on the rise.
1 out of 8 women are actually diagnosed with breast cancer, and 30% of all new cancer diagnoses will be breast cancer.
Research has found that the link between the rise in cases and the decline in deaths is due to an increase in awareness and routine mammogram screenings.
The mammogram will detect smaller abnormalities in your breast before you can actually feel them. So that's why we like to do screenings. The earlier you find the abnormality or the cancer, the better outcomes or prognosis it is.
The American Cancer Society recommends that women get annual mammograms starting at age 40. But what is also recommended is that women should be doing routine self-breast exams on themselves. Johns Hopkins Medical University actually even said that 40% of lumps are found during a self-exam.
But medical professionals say women aren't the only ones who should be getting a yearly checkup.
It can be in men too. So if a man has an abnormality in his breast tissue, he does need to contact his primary because that does happen. And unfortunately, men aren't screened for breast cancer. So it's more progressed by the time they feel it. And so sometimes that treatment's a little bit more difficult.
When it comes to breast cancer, the earlier it is caught, the better the outcome.
I always tell my patients they know their breast better than I do. And if they feel an abnormality, they need to take a peek at it and see what's going on with it.
According to the American Cancer Society, there are more than 4 million breast cancer survivors in the United States. From downtown Sioux City, Alyssa Tatch, KCAU 9 News.